The topic for today is how to contact YouTube support team. This option is available in both app and browser. First, click on Help button on top right corner. After clicking, it will initiate YouTube Help tab. Next, you get popular help resources. To contact YouTube Help, click on Contact Us. After clicking, new help window will open. First, you have to enter your query within 100 words. Click Next. After clicking, multiple options will appear based on your query. Click on Others. After clicking, Next Step will activate. Click on Next Step. After clicking, again you will get multiple options. Scroll down to the bottom. Click on Next Step. After clicking, you will receive two options: Chat and Email. Let's first click on Email. After clicking, Information tab will open. Enter your first name. Next, enter your surname. Next, enter your channel URL. Next, type your query within 1,000 words. Next, if your query is for specific video, then click Yes or No. Next option is for verification. Click based on your query. And if you have any image file regarding your issue, then attach it in Choose File option and click on Submit. Let's go to the other option, which means live chat. Both options are available in app and browser. So, let's open your YT Studio app in mobile. Click on your login option. Click on Help Center. Click on Contact Us. After clicking, select your channel if you have multiple channel or brand account. Next, describe your query within 100 words. Click Next. After clicking, multiple options will appear. Click on Others. Click on Next Step. After clicking, again you will get multiple options. Click on Next Step. After clicking, two options will appear. Click on Chat option. If you want to know the timing, click on Hours of Operations. Next, enter your first name. After that, enter your last name. Next, enter your email ID. If the issue is with specific video, click Yes or No. Since my issue is not for specific video, so I am selecting No. Next, enter the date when the issue was occurred. After that, explain your issue within 1,000 words. Next, click on Start Chat. After clicking, your queue will start. Wait patiently for your turn. When the waiting is over, your chat will initiate with YouTube support team. Continue your chat and resolve your all issues. When the chat is over, you get option to send the transcript to your email. After clicking on Send, you will receive all your transcript on email. So, in this process you can contact YouTube support team. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.